Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to enable or disable NSFW filter on Reddit using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings, and now just go ahead and scroll down until you see the Reddit app. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on Reddit. And now, as you can see at the bottom part of your screen, you can see the Show NSFW Content section. Okay, and now if you want to enable it, just go ahead and toggle the switch on. And if you want to disable it, just go ahead and toggle that switch off. Okay, and that is how you enable or disable NSFW filter on Reddit. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.